Hey guys, so this video is so exciting. If you guys watched my last video, you'll know that it was an unboxing from Salon Guys and Fanola USA. They sent me a huge package of all their hair care products, pretty much I think all of them, but the most exciting part of that package was the no yellow line that Fanola carries, and they are known for being some of the best products for getting rid of yellow and brassy tones in hair like mine. So I'm excited to be doing this video because I'm going to be doing my roots today, and I'm going to show you guys how nasty and dark they look. You can definitely see the growth right there. My natural hair color is a dirty blonde, if you guys are wondering. And how I do my roots at home, the video will be linked somewhere for you guys because that is really popular one on my channel. So if you guys want to know how I get my roots to platinum blonde, then watch that video. But this video is going to be about my first impressions and 100% honest review of the Fanola No Yellow line. So as soon as I get my roots done, which is any second now, I am going to be using those products for the very first time, and I'm going to kind of film a little bit like my first impressions after. Obviously I'm not going to film in the shower because that's a little interesting. I'm going to show you guys after I have used it and kind of see how it's going to look different from right after I do my roots. I'll show you guys right after I have done my roots what color it looks then, and then after when I use the Fanola No Yellow line. I'm really looking forward to doing this video. Let's get to it. Alright, so I'm back in my pink fuzzy robe. I just did my roots and I washed it out using the Fanola No Color shampoo, which works phenomenal, by the way. So this is like the lightest it's ever looked right after shampooing using any kind of toning shampoo, to the point where I'm like, do I need to use this color mask? I don't know, but I'm gonna do it just because that's what I do. Don't mind my skin. After I take showers, random little red things pop up, and that's just what happens when I take a shower. So one thing to note about the Fanola No Yellow shampoo is that it is very, very dark. As I showed you in my unboxing, the pigment is the deepest and darkest purple that I've ever worked with, and obviously it toned it amazingly. So that's really awesome. I am going to be taking the Fanola No Yellow mask right now, and I'm going to be putting it in my little bowl with my tinting brush like I do with all my purple toning treatments. Usually I use my Blonde Brilliance for this. For the purpose of this video, I am using the Fanola No Yellow mask. So this is a no yellow mask, ultraviolet pigment. I talked about it in my unboxing, but we're gonna try it right now and see how deep and dark it is. I'm guessing if it's anything like the shampoo, it's going to be really dark. So after my unboxing video went up, I did get an email from Fanola, and they did say that for this mask, you really do only want to leave it in for 5 minutes. Because I originally did say I would leave it in for 45 like my old stuff, but she said if you leave it in for longer than 5 minutes, then you're going to get a metallic kind of ashy look, which I'm not looking for. I'm looking for more of that white Elsa kind of hair. I'm gonna leave it in for 5 minutes and let it do its thing. If it works anything like the shampoo, I'm hooked, I'm sold. So I'm gonna take a pump of this, and I really, really love how it has a pump because that's so handy. Whenever I'm trying to do my toning treatment with the Blonde Brilliance, it's just like one of those flip cap ones, so it's really hard, and usually your hand's like wet, and you know, it's really hard. So pumps are always really nice. So I'm going to just take some pumps of this, some like that in my bowl. It is looking like pretty much the same tone as my Blonde Brilliance, but we're going to see. So I'm gonna just take it on my tinting brush and just start applying it. It's a mask, so maybe it'll work even better. And the smell is not like a cupcake like the restructuring line, which by the way, I also use the restructuring shampoo and the leave-in, the deep conditioning mask, I think it's called, restructuring mask. It is really, really nice. I'm having it in my hair right now because when I'm doing this treatment, I like to be treating the rest of my hair too. I'm going to take this and with my mirror, I'm going to apply it right to the roots like this. One thing I'm noticing right away is that it is staying a lot better than my Blonde Brilliance does. It really deposits it nicely and stays that way. So I think I'm gonna fast forward through this video so that you guys can see the final results after I wash it out. Holy cow. It is so amazing. It toned it completely. The pigment did not stay in my hair like a lot of the other purple shampoos and conditioners do. It is just absolutely perfect. And this happened in 5 minutes. I left it on for 5 minutes and this is the results I got. I'm so incredibly happy with this. It is my new toning treatment for sure. I'm going to dry my hair and I will show you guys how the final product looks. So voila, like that, it is all dry and I am obsessed. Obsessed. You don't see any yellow anywhere. It is beautiful, white, icy Elsa hair. So I'm absolutely shook that it worked so phenomenally. The Fanola No Yellow line is definitely worth it in my book. It is hands down the best purple toning treatment that I have ever used. So this has replaced my Blonde Brilliance million times over. So as you saw when I applied it, that it applied really perfectly, evenly. The pigment did not kind of go everywhere. It just stayed in the area where you put the tinting brush. And of course you can use it a different way. You can probably do it the way that the bottle says and take some gloves and just kind of apply it all over your hair. But since I was just doing my roots, I just wanted to have a targeted kind of area to apply it. I'm just absolutely blown away. I mean, look at my roots. There is no yellow to be seen. It is perfect. And it's my new favorite, hands down. Fanola and Salon Guys, thank you so much for sending me this. It is definitely my new favorite. I can't stop saying that. It is amazing. One of the reasons why it has definitely replaced my other toning treatment is because it only took 5 minutes to get this kind of toning. So when I got out of the shower, I think you guys saw that it was kind of more of the pale yellow stage, and now it is definitely matching the rest of my hair, like the underneath part even. Everything is just perfectly beautifully toned with this. It took 5 minutes. The lovely lady that I have been emailing back and forth about with this product said that you shouldn't leave it on longer than 5 minutes, and I definitely agree. If you get this kind of result in 5 minutes, if you want more of a metallic ashy look, if you're looking for more of a gray kind of cast, a gray kind of tone, then you could leave it on longer than 5 minutes. But I'm glad that I just did the 5 minutes because that worked so phenomenally. And I also used the No Yellow shampoo, which I love as well. It was beautiful. The pigment was super deep and dark, even darker than my Blonde Brilliance, which I can't believe. I mean, I didn't think there was anything darker than that, but there was. And when I put it in my hand, it was very pigmented and it went on the roots really well. I brought a mirror so that I could look and see how it kind of laid on my hair. I'm kind of weird like that. When I'm doing purple stuff, I kind of want to know where everything is going. First, I used the Nutri shampoo, and I love that as well. I mean, it smells like cupcakes. What is not to like? It smells so, so good. So after I used that, because I was a little nervous about using the shampoo, I gotta be honest with you, then I used the No Yellow shampoo, and it went in my hair beautifully. The pigment really toned it instantly. Even if I wanted to just leave it that way, I could have. I didn't have to do the mask, but the No Yellow mask just took it to where I wanted it to go. So I love all the products, and as I was waiting for the mask in my hair, I also used the Nutri mask, the like really thick creamy one that's supposed to be like a nice leave-in that you wash off after like 5 minutes. So I thought, why not? So I put that in, and my hair felt so nice after I washed everything out. It feels so silky and soft and just flows and is just beautiful. So I have used quite a few of their products already, and I gotta tell you guys, I love them. Not only the smell, but what it does to your hair. It feels conditioned, it feels soft and shiny and silky, which is what it said on the bottle, and I was like, yeah, right, there's no way that it could do that to my hair, but it did. I'm shook. And a lot of the times when I use the toning shampoos and conditioners from other lines, my hair feels kind of like straw-like and kind of like, I don't know, it doesn't feel very good. It feels dry. But after I used all those things together, my hair, I feel like, looks and feels so soft and beautiful. I can't say enough good things about this company. I am so, so happy that they sent me these products. And you guys can also get these products if you go on Salon Guy's website, which I'll have linked down below for you guys. They were kind enough to give me a 10% off discount code for you guys, for my subscribers, because you're amazing. I really want you guys to kind of feel what it is like to use Fanola products, because they are fabulous. They're fabulous. There's nothing more I can say. They're amazing. Use my 10% off discount code, which is LUSTROUSBEAUTY10, and I'll have it linked down below for you guys as well. So you can get 10% off your order, which I think is pretty awesome. And these products are not that expensive. When I looked at the brochure, a lot of them I believe are like under $15, maybe a little bit higher depending on what you're getting, which is not bad at all. And you get 350 milliliters, so I mean, if you measure in milliliters, but it's really a pretty good sized bottle, and I really did not need to use that much. I only used maybe like 1.5 pumps just to do my roots and everything, and you only need to do it once in a while. This is amazing. I had high hopes and they exceeded my expectations. I love it. It is so, so good. And the shampoo is amazing also. I'm definitely going to have that in my rotation when I am washing my hair, and to keep and maintain this color. I think it'll really help me in my efforts of doing that. I'm beyond excited. I know I've said that so many times, but it is such an amazing line. Go check it out and get 10% off your order with my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, because that always helps me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're notified when I upload. Also, you guys have noticed that my vlogs have stopped, and the reason for that is because we have moved our vlogs over to our vlogging channel, which is called Our Young Family, and I have it linked for you guys down below. So I haven't stopped vlogging, just the vlogs have moved to a new home because I really wanted to focus on beauty stuff on this channel. But if you guys really love my vlogs and you miss them, they are still here. They're just at a different channel. And you guys can go and subscribe to that channel, and we will be uploading quite regularly. We'll be trying, and we're trying to do Vlogmas right now also, which has been failing terribly. But we do have a few up for you guys if you're kind of wondering what our kind of leading up to Christmas looked like. So I'm going to keep vlogging on that channel, so make sure you go subscribe to it. It's called Our Young Family, and it's a really great channel, and I hope you guys enjoy my vlogs over there. For all my social media, all the links will be linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, stay lustrous.